Welcome back to Auto Garage, the channel where we explore the most exciting vehicles the world has to offer. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the market, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of power, elegance, and engineering mastery. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at everything this beast has to offer. The Mercedes-AMG G63 has always been a symbol of status and performance. It's a vehicle that commands attention no matter where it goes, and the 2025 model takes everything we love about the G-Class and elevates it to a whole new level. The exterior design of the G63 stays true to its roots, maintaining the classic boxy shape that makes it instantly recognizable. At the same time, it integrates modern touches like sleek LED headlights, updated bumpers, and a bold Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats. The 22-inch AMG wheels and flared wheel arches give it a muscular stance, ensuring that this SUV looks just as powerful as it feels. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 boasts a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine that delivers an astonishing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse can launch the G63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For a vehicle of this size and weight, that's nothing short of remarkable. The AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and handling, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. Speaking of off-road capability, the G63 is equipped with 3 differential locks and a low-range gearbox, making it more than capable of conquering rugged terrain. Step inside the 2025 G63, and you're greeted by a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The interior is a showcase of premium materials, from soft Napa leather seats to open-pore wood trim and brushed aluminum accents. The 12.3-inch dual-screen setup serves as both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by the latest version of Mercedes-AMG UX interface. This system offers intuitive controls, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors adds a touch of personalization to the cabin, while the Burmester surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Comfort is another area where the G63 truly shines. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated but also feature massage functions for an extra layer of luxury. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with ample legroom and their own set of climate controls. The boxy design of the G-Class translates to exceptional headroom and cargo space, making it as practical as it is opulent. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or simply running errands around town, the G63 offers a level of comfort and convenience that's hard to beat. Safety is, of course, a top priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 G63 is packed with advanced features to keep you and your passengers protected. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for added visibility. Active brake assist and pre-safe technology work together to prevent collisions, while crosswind assist ensures stability even in challenging weather conditions. The G63 is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels. One of the standout aspects of the G63 is its unmistakable exhaust note. The AMG Performance exhaust system delivers a deep, throaty roar that perfectly matches the SUV's aggressive personality. With adjustable modes, you can switch between a subdued hum for quiet drives or unleash its full fury when you're in the mood. To make an impression, this auditory experience is just another way the G63 sets itself apart from other SUVs on the market. Customization options for the 2025 G63 are virtually endless. Mercedes-AMG offers a wide range of exterior colors, interior trims, and additional packages to suit your personal taste. From the exclusive AMG Night package, which adds blacked-out accents, to the AMG Trail package for enhanced off-road capability, there's something for everyone. If you're someone who values individuality, the G63 gives you the opportunity to create a vehicle that truly reflects your personality. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 sits firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. While it's undoubtedly an investment, the level of performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity you get in return makes it worth every penny. This is a vehicle that appeals to those who demand the very best and aren't willing to compromise. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a vehicle that combines raw power with refined elegance, offering a driving experience like no other. Whether you're navigating the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, the G63 is ready to handle it all with style and confidence. It's a true icon in the automotive world, and the 2025 model only solidifies its status as one of the most desirable luxury SUVs on the planet. That's it for today's episode of Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you think of this incredible machine and what vehicles you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.